First of all, it's an en banc hearing, which means that the court decided to hear it, notwithstanding that a three-judge panel had already decided the case. So it meant that a majority of the court thought that the dissenting judge in this case had raised legitimate issues and probably questioned whether the majority had decided them correctly. So that sets up, an en banc argument that's a rare thing. It doesn't happen that often. And so you would expect that the bench would be hot, that judges would be, and they would focus on the issues that they were concerned about. So it's not like, they're just asking questions to pass the time. They really are sort of drilling down, asking questions about things that that concern them. And in the preparation that Jamie made for the argument, these are all issues that we had raised during moot courts. We had discussed in just meetings to go over the legal and factual issues. So he was very well prepared to address them. What was interesting about this, though, was that the majority, the two judges who were in the majority of the panel decision, were not that active, nor were there other judges who, on that side of the case, who were pressing. So, you never know what that means. It just may mean that they've made up their mind, and so that they weren't asking any questions. But you always want the bench to be hot, to be asking the questions that they're interested in. If you're an advocate, the worst thing that can happen is if you stand up there for 20 minutes talking and there's no dialogue with the court. So this was a very good experience, I think, to have a bench that asks questions and particularly questions that Jamie was able to fully answer.